What's up guys, it's Big Bench Crypto here, and yes, as you can tell by the title, we are back with another Duck Network video. Now before I just start off, I have some very important news, especially for the people that are inside of the Duck Network Telegram group chat channel. I know y'all guys are waiting for women, but I can't tell you yet. But if you do want to know what's the end of the video, subscribe and leave a like. Now as you could tell, when we first started off using Duck Network, as you could tell, you could go back and watch one of my previous videos. The price of one duck was at around 38 cents for one. And since then, the price has just been going up slowly and very firm. As you can see, the price of one duck is worth $1.12 and slowly climbing. The circulating supply is now 383,055. The available supply is 616,944, and we still have that total supply of 1 million tokens. Now, if you guys want to access the contract or the white paper, Telegram group chat, or the channel, you can see the links are right here. I will also be leaving the links in the description as well. But yeah, let's basically get into how much you could potentially make with just an initial stake of 50 BUSD and 50 duck tokens. With me staking 50 BUSD, remember when you stake this BUSD, you cannot withdraw. You need to read this. I can just read it for you once again. Mint duck by staking your BUSD. You can stake as many times as you want, but you cannot unstake your BUSD. But however, when you do it with the duck, when you stake your duck, you just have a unstaking period of 7 days. So until that 7 days is over, you can unstake your duck. But with me staking my 50 BUSD, I make around 2 duck per day in this one here, which is basically $2.24 at the current price. But as you can tell from before, we were making around just a couple cents per day, but now we're making dollars because of how much duck has grown. With my stake duck, I earn just around 3 duck per day. So initially, so in total, I earn just around 5 duck per day, 24 hours, just taking my BUSD and my duck. And I believe these are great returns. Basically, that's just around $5-6 per day. And as the price increases, the rewards will just be more and more and more. Now, if you guys would like to earn some of these sweet rewards as well, I will leave the link in my description. That will be the first link. So if you guys do want to stake and earn some of these sweet passive income rewards, I will leave the first link in the description will be for you guys to join. And it's very simple to join. All you have to do is have some BUSD or your Binance Smart Chain network on MetaMask. You come here, you type in, let's say I have 41, you type in 41, you press approve, then you come down here, you type in the same 41, and you press stake. It's that simple. Then you will confirm it in your MetaMask, and it's that simple to earn passive income. Now, if you're duck, it's the same process. You will come here, type in your 0, or you type in your 100 duck. You press stake, confirm it in your MetaMask, and it's that simple to earn passive income. And now for the big review, guys. So I reached out to the team myself, and they told me we're about to hit 1 million stake BUSD, and plus, if you guys are looking for a little incentive, whatever the case may be, there's currently a giveaway happening. Yes, a giveaway. It can't get no better right now. And it's very simple. So for example, there are 3 parts to this giveaway. And there's 3 parts that you'll be earning separately. So for example, the first part is you have to promote it on your social media. So for example, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Once you promote it and you send a video or a picture of you promoting it, you send it to the required Telegram chat, you will receive your tokens. And yes, the giveaway is true because I did the social media giveaway myself. The next giveaway is doing a promotional video on YouTube, and you will earn 30 dot tokens by the given price right now. And the current price right now, that's around $34 roughly. And yeah, if you guys would like to earn some of these sweet rewards and some of these sweet giveaway tokens that's happening right now, please be sure to go in my description, click on the first link. And the third party giveaway is that Right, guys, and the third party giveaway is that you have to follow them on Instagram. Of course, the Instagram handle will be .network. You have to like and repost their recent posts. You have to tag 3 of your friends. Share it to the required Telegram chat. 10 lucky winners will receive 20 tokens. I will be entering this one as well. This giveaway will end on February the 7th at 16 UTC time. I'm pretty sure, guys, you have the chance to win 55 tokens at the prices at right now, which is $1.12. And yeah, guys, don't let this opportunity miss you. I will do my part in sharing the links and the handles in the description so you guys can have access to getting $50 just like this. And yeah, guys, it's Big Ben Crypto here. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to leave a like, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.